Everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will explain you about the factory data reset in your device Realme 9 Pro and 9 Pro 5G. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move towards our today's video. If you want to reset your mobile to the factory data reset as it was the brand new, you can do this by the way as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can factory reset your device. Let's watch the video.